माय चैनल। सो आज हमारा मनाली गोम्पा में वांग होने वाला है, पूजा होने वाला है। सो उसके लिए मैं जा रही हूँ। आई होप आई एम नॉट लेट। एंड गाइस, लेट मी शो यू माय आउटफिट। दिस इज माय आउटफिट गाइस। हाउ इज इट? Okay, so it's been a month that I've never been to my hometown. So एक महीने के बाद डेढ़ महीने के बाद मैं अपने घर आई हूँ। एंड टुडे एक पूजा है, बड़ा पूजा, फिर उसके लिए मैं जाने वाली हूँ गाइस। Hi guys, so मैं पहुँच चुकी हूँ and I've just parked my scooty right there and this is the gompa right behind me and this is my two sisters. So guys, I've just bought a leather jacket because as you can see it's cloudy, it might rain and I don't want to get cold. And hot sugar guys, let's go inside. Okay guys, so मैंने जगह शिफ्ट कर ली है because धूप निकल रही है and I'm feeling hot. So हम लोग यहाँ शेड के लिए इसके नीचे बैठे हैं. She is having ice cream. My baby is having ice cream. और यहाँ से ना दर्शन भी बहुत अच्छे मिल रहे हैं. देखो Good chick. Oh, I got a water. Story marta vlog na really. Hey guys, so Fuji Pug laga hai and I'm here at the most famous place for Kyuma. Kyuma means sausage and I've been eating here like since I was in high school and I'll show you how the sausage is. Chamasing. Guys, मैंने सीढ़ी खा लिया है and I got this. ये हमारा Tibetan का ताबीज़ है and we have to wear this for like 3 days or after 3 days we have to like keep this in some clean or on a high level place, you know. किसी साफ जगह और किसी ऊंची जगह पे या तो पेड़ के ऊपर बांधना पड़ता है, साफ जगह पे रखना पड़ता है। 3 दिन के लिए पहनना है ये वाला। ये पहनूंगी। अभी बहुत ज़्यादा रश है and the weather is so perfect now. So guys, अब हम लोग आए हैं दाना कैफे और one of our favorites. You guys should visit once if you're like here in Manali or something. What do you want to have? I'm gonna have a cold coffee because I had earlier. I had Kuma and I'm full now. She's gonna have aloo chips. I'm gonna have cold coffee only because it's a little bit hot in here, so I need to cool down. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
अब हम कैफे से बाहर आ चुके हैं and my mom wanted to buy a kurta. She's looking for it right now and these all are beautiful kurtas. So मनाली में हम Tibetans लोग ना कुर्ता बहुत ज़्यादा पहनते हैं, so we are very fond of kurtas. So my mom wanted to buy a kurta, so here we are. हाँ जी मम्मी, पसंद आया आपको? कैसा? Guys, she's so sleepy right now. She is addicted to Delhi's timing. She's कैसा jet lag चलता है, jet lag. So guys, I'm on my way back home and I found this and I love watermelon, you know. So I'm gonna buy this. हाँ भैया दे दो. So guys, I'm back to my home and I'm so damn tired and I was feeling so sleepy as कल रात को मुझे नींद नहीं आया था and I was awake till 8 in the morning. From like 8 in the morning I was awake doing something. I was not sleepy. I was awake till 8 in the morning और 8 बजते दिन मैं रेडी होना स्टार्ट हो गई and yeah, so guys, मैंने vlog बहुत दिनों के बाद डाला है and some of my subscribers and my Instagram followers have been requesting me to upload vlog and here it is, my new vlog. Hope you guys enjoy watching and आज के vlog में ना ज़्यादा interesting कुछ नहीं था because it was all about पूजा, you know. So वही है बस पूजा में बैठा and then I had my favorite sausage and then I went to my cafe and then that's it, nothing else. And thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next vlog. Love y'all.